Building a modern digital government is a lot like building a high-performance car. You do not start by crafting every bolt, engine part, or wheel from zero. That approach would be costly, slow, and difficult to scale. Instead, you assemble trusted components that are already proven, secure, and built to work together seamlessly. That is the foundation behind DPI Connect. Today, governments around the world can establish reusable digital infrastructure using proven building blocks, including identity, payments, data exchange, verifiable credentials, secure notifications, and content and forms. Rather than rebuilding the same capabilities across every department and agency, these capabilities can be provided once as shared infrastructure, ready to be consumed wherever they are needed. This creates a foundation that is modular, technology agnostic, and built on open standards. Imagine launching a citizen super app. A digital experience layer gives citizens a single gateway to government services. Dynamic forms simplify applications and submissions. Integrated payment services handle transactions securely. Real-time notifications keep citizens informed every step of the way. And when identity verification is needed, verifiable credentials enable secure and trusted access instantly. But the value extends beyond a single application. Government agencies can rapidly modernize existing services, replace bespoke solutions, and deliver new digital experiences faster. The same infrastructure can also support the wider digital economy, enabling trusted interactions between citizens, businesses, financial institutions, and government. Every capability works together like modular building blocks, connected, scalable, and ready to evolve. This is the new model for digital government, not rebuilding from scratch, but accelerating innovation through interoperable digital infrastructure. The outcome is simple: digital services that are faster to launch, easier to scale, more secure by design, and more cost-effective to operate, while delivering better experiences for citizens and unlocking new opportunities across the digital economy. DPI Connect. Build once, reuse everywhere. Scale with confidence.